Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, unplug the fridge for safety, and move perishable food into an insulated cooler. Once done, remove the kickplate or panel, use a flashlight and take a photo so you can reassemble correctly. Make sure to note the timer or control module model number printed on the housing. That helps you find specs. Next, set your multimeter to continuity or voltage depending on test. You will test pins labeled common, supply, and defrost output, so prepare to probe carefully. You now verify how the timer behaves. First, restore power briefly to measure incoming voltage at the module. Confirm it matches the fridge rating. Once confirmed, observe the timer while advancing it manually or using the diagnostic mode. Probe the output terminal that feeds the defrost heater and compressor. You should see voltage change or continuity open/close as the timer advances. For digital modules, cycle through menus and note any error codes or flashing LEDs. That tells you if the controller logic failed. You finish by interpreting what you recorded. If the timer never switches outputs or shows intermittent continuity, replace it. Mechanical timers wear contacts and digital boards fail. If outputs are fine but the compressor or heater won't run, inspect wiring harness and relays. Swap the relay or patch a damaged connector, then test again. Make sure to power down before final replacement, and when in doubt, bench test the suspect module with a known good supply or another identical module. This isolates wiring versus controller faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.